Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your password without your old password. What you want to do first is click the three bars in the top right corner and click Settings. Once you're there, click Security. It's about in the middle of the bar. And then click Password. As you can see here, you need your current password to make a new password. And you clicked on this video probably because you don't have your current password. So what you want to do is go back and then click the three bars in the corner and click Settings. Once you're there, click Log Out of your account at the very bottom. Click Log Out. Once you're there, click Login with another account. Your old username should still be there. Then click Forgot Password. Now once you're there, click Next with the username. You can also use your phone if you want to. It'll send a link to your email or your phone, depending on which one you put in. Once you do that, go to your email. As you can see here, I have the email right here, and I have the option to reset my password or log in as my account. Since you want to reset your password, we'll be choosing that option. And it'll bring you to Instagram again, and you can put in your new password. And then once you do that, it should bring you back here, and you can just log in with your new password. And then you can also save your password to your Google account or Apple account so that you don't forget it this time. And yeah, that's how you do it. If this video was helpful for you, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.